It's soon Amazon Prime Day, and if you're hunting for the best gear deals, you're in the right place. I've rounded up some of the hottest deals for filmmakers, solo shooters and tech lovers. All the product links and the latest discounts are right down in the description. And heads up, these Prime deals are moving fast, so bookmark this video and come back to check for updated links and price drops throughout the event. Let's dive in. The HOVERAir X1 PROMAX, the flying camera that just works. Are you tired of complicated drone setups? The HOVERAir X1 PROMAX is my go-to for quick cinematic aerials, no controller needed. It literally launches from your palm and tracks you with butter smooth shots. What makes the X1 PROMAX special? HOVERAir adds new flight modes all the time. It has 4K stabilized video and it's so light it doesn't even need FAA registration in the US. Prime Day pricing makes this an even sweeter pick for vloggers and travelers. Grab it below while it lasts. The Hollyland Lark M2S, wireless audio for the creators on the go. If you're a solo content creator, you need clean audio, and the Hollyland Lark M2S nails it. These tiny wireless mics deliver crystal clear sound and have an insane range. I tested it myself out in a Swiss field. Let's do a distance test with Hollyland's Lark M2S. I have the receiver mounted on top of the camera, here I have my microphone with a fluffy. It comes in a slick charging case and is ready for phones and cameras. For this Prime Day it's priced like an entry-level mic, but performs like pro gear. Link is in the description. The ANDCYCINE X5, bright, sharp and built like a tank. This is the camera monitor that followed me through so many shoots. 1200 nits of brightness, full HD touchscreen, aluminum body and only 0.5 pounds. It's perfect for run and gun or locked off setups. The 4K HDMI loops through, LUT support and custom function buttons, mine is set to zoom, peaking and flip, make it a serious tool, not a toy. With the Prime Day discount, this one's a no-brainer. Check it out down below. The Hollyland Solidcom SE. Team comes without the mess. If you're shooting with a crew or managing a multicam live stream, communication is everything. The Solidcom SE gives you hands-free full duplex wireless comms, no walkie-talkie button mashing. I've used these on set and while outdoors. They just work. Long battery life, comfy fit and rock solid range. If you have been waiting for the right time to invest in team comms, Prime Day's got your back. Hit the link. OBSBOT Tail Air. PTC magic in pocketable form. Let's wrap it up with one of the most exciting AI-powered PTC cams out there, the OBSBOT Tail Air. I use two of these with the remote, streaming wirelessly via Wi-Fi and Starlink Mini, no cables needed. If you're building a mobile live stream setup, you'll want to snag one. Link in the description. Alright folks, that's a wrap on my top Amazon Prime Day gear picks for creators. Again, all the best deal links are down below and I'll be updating them as new sales drop, so make sure to check back in during the event. And hey, if this video helped you save a buck or two, a like or sub goes a long way. Happy filming and happy Prime Day. Check out this video next to learn more about filmmaking and filmmaking gear and how to use them. Thanks for watching and see you next one. Bye for now.